Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jannie.
Hello, Jannie. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Hi, David. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I feel very happy today. And you?
I'm very happy too. We have a special topic for our friends today.
Oh, yes, it's a very interesting topic. It's about a secret.
Yes, a secret to help you learn English. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and please share this podcast with your friends and family. A like is great too. It helps us a lot.
Yes, thank you. So, Jannie, are you ready to share the secret?
I am totally ready. The secret to improving your English every day is small things.
Small things? What do you mean?
I mean, you don't need to study for 5 hours every day.
Oh, that's good news. 5 hours is a long time.
It is. The secret is to do something small, something fun in English every single day.
Ah, I see. So not a big effort one day a week, but a small effort every day.
Exactly. Like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but every day.
I like that. It sounds easy and enjoyable.
It is. So, what is one small, easy thing we can do every day?
Let me think. Maybe music.
Music. Yes, I love that idea. Tell me more.
You can listen to one song in English every day.
Just one song?
Yes, one song when you were in the car, on the bus, or when you were at home.
That's a great idea. You can listen and read the words, the lyrics.
Yes, and you can sing along.
Your singing is beautiful, David. Okay, so music is one thing. What else? What about watching something?
Watching, like a movie? A movie is long.
True, a movie is long, but a short video is not.
Oh, a video on the internet? Like on YouTube?
Yes, exactly. A short video, maybe a cartoon for children.
Cartoons are great for beginners. The English is simple and slow.
Yes, and they are fun to watch. You can find very short cartoons, maybe 5 minutes long.
5 minutes. Everyone has 5 minutes.
That's a perfect small thing to do.
I agree. So we have listening to music and watching a short video. What about speaking? Speaking is important.
It is very important, but speaking can be difficult.
Maybe you don't have a friend to speak English with.
That's a good point. So, what can you do?
You can speak to yourself.
To yourself?
That sounds a little funny.
It is funny, but it works. You can look around your room and say what you see.
Oh, I like that. For example, I am in a room now. I can say, this is a table.
Yes, and this is a chair. The chair is blue.
Perfect. See? You are speaking English. Good job.
Wow, that is easy. I have a cup of water. The cup is white.
Yes, this is a great way to practice. No friend needed, just you and your room. I love it.
You can also talk about your day. In the morning, you can say, "Today I will eat breakfast. Then I go to work."
Very simple. It helps you think in English.
It does. It's a small step, but it's a very important one.
So, listening, watching, and speaking to yourself, we also need to read.
Ah, reading. Yes, some books are very difficult.
Yes, very difficult. But some books are very easy.
Like books for children.
Exactly. A children's book is perfect. The words are simple and there are pictures.
The pictures help a lot. You can understand the story.
Yes, you can read one page of a children's book every day. Just one page.
1 page a day. After a month, you read a book.
Wow, yes, that's amazing. You feel so good when you finish a book.
It's a great feeling.
What if you don't have a children's book?
Good question. You can read things online, maybe news for beginners.
Oh, yes. Some websites have news in simple English.
They do. The sentences are short and easy to understand.
So you can read the news for 5 minutes. That's another great idea.
Thank you. We are discovering so many secrets today.
We are. Okay, so we have listening, watching, speaking, and reading. What is missing?
Writing.
Writing. Oh, for some people, writing is very difficult.
It can be, but remember the secret. Small things.
Right, so not a big essay, just a small piece of writing.
Yes. For example, you can write one sentence a day.
One sentence? What can I write?
You can write about your day, like a small diary. Today is Tuesday. I am happy.
That's it?
That's it. It's simple, but you are practicing. You are using the words you know.
I like that. Today I ate a red apple.
Perfect. Or you can write a shopping list in English.
A shopping list? Wow, what a practical idea.
Yes, milk, bread, eggs, apples. You are writing and learning new food words.
That is so smart, Jannie. You can put the list on your refrigerator so you see it every day.
It helps you remember.
It does. Another idea for writing, you can write a comment on a video.
Oh, like on a video from the Growth English channel.
Yes, exactly. You can write, "Hello, I like this video."
Or, thank you, Jannie and David.
Yes, we love reading your comments, and it's good practice for you.
It is, and it's a small, easy thing to do. It takes 1 minute.
This is all so good. All these small things add up. It's like building a house.
Building a house. How?
You don't build a house in one day. You add one brick, then another brick, then another brick.
Ah, and every day you add a small English brick.
Yes, a song is a brick, a short video is a brick, one sentence you write is a brick.
And soon you have a beautiful English house.
Exactly. That's the secret. Consistency.
Doing it every day.
I love that idea, the English brick. It makes it feel possible.
It is possible for everyone.
Let's talk about new words, vocabulary.
Oh, yes. Learning new words is very important.
But sometimes we try to learn 20 new words in one day. It's too much.
It is. I can't remember 20 new words. I forget them the next day.
Me too. So what is the secret for vocabulary?
Is it one new word a day?
Yes, you got it. Just one.
Only one word. It feels so small.
It is small, and that's why it works.
Okay, so I learn one word a day. For example, the word sun. How do I learn it?
Good question. Don't just write the word, make it fun.
How?
You can draw a picture of the sun next to the word.
Oh, a picture. I like drawing. So I write sun and draw a big yellow sun.
Yes, or you can find a photo of the sun on your phone and save it with the word.
That's a great tip. Our brain remembers pictures.
It does. And you should also say the word, sun. The sun is bright.
So you see it, you draw it, you say it.
Yes, and you can write it on a small piece of paper, a sticky note.
A sticky note. Where do I put it?
Put it somewhere you see every day, like on your mirror or your computer.
So every time I look in the mirror, I see the word sun.
And you remember it. The next day, you learn a new word, maybe moon.
And I draw a picture of the moon and put a new sticky note next to the sun.
You are a great student, Jannie. That's exactly right.
This is so much fun. After 1 week, I have 7 new words.
And after a month, about 30 new words.
And after a year, wow, more than 300 new words.
See? Small things become big things over time.
That is amazing.
The secret really is to do small things every day.
It is. The most important thing is don't miss a day.
Even if you were very busy.
Yes, even if you only have 1 minute.
What can you do in 1 minute?
You can say one sentence in English. Today was a good day. Done.
Wow, you were right. Everyone has 1 minute.
Everyone. No excuses.
So let's make a simple plan, a 5-minute English plan.
Ooh, I like this. Okay, what is in the plan?
Monday, for 5 minutes, you listen to one English song and read the lyrics.
Great start. Tuesday?
Tuesday, for 5 minutes, you watch a short cartoon for children.
Fun! I like cartoons. What about Wednesday?
Wednesday, you walk around your house for 5 minutes and name everything you see.
Perfect speaking practice. Thursday?
Thursday is for reading. You read one page of a simple book or a short news story.
Excellent. And Friday?
On Friday, we write for 5 minutes, 3 simple sentences about your week.
I love it. What about the weekend?
Saturday, you learn one new word, draw a picture, and put it on your wall.
And Sunday?
Sunday is a fun day. You use your phone and play an English learning app.
What a great plan! A different small thing every day.
And it never gets boring.
Exactly. And it's only 5 minutes a day.
But those 5 minutes are powerful if you do them every day.
It's about making a habit.
A habit is something you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth.
We want English to be that habit.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Mistakes are normal. Practice is what matters.
Practice, not perfection.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Enjoy the small steps.
And have fun.
If it's fun, you will continue.
So everyone, now you know the secret.
The secret is you and your small actions every day.
Before we go, please subscribe to the Growth English channel.
Share it with one friend.
And leave us a comment with one small thing you'll do today.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, have fun, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.